Good day, this is the CS50 Web Django project for the commerce, and I'm going to show you how this project works in action. First of all, I have some 6 models for the user, for the auction listing, for the bits, for the comments, for the watch list, and that's all about the and also one more for the categories. You can see them all in on the screen. Anyway, let's go to the default page of our project. I can add listing only if I'm logged in, clicking on this part. And so I just want to log in and add my listing. I'm logged in right now. When I click on add listing, it takes me to a page where I have to fill form. I have to fill some information right here in order to add a listing. The first one is the title. I just want to add the title. I want to copy this description part and add it right here. This is the image URL. It's optional. I can add or I cannot add it. Let me just add the starting with 65. The categories, it belongs to electronics, and click add. Now I can see that it is added right here in the default page. In this page I can see the items in the boxes. It shows the title, the image, available price, and also a description. I can click on them. It is the listing page. It shows me all the information about the listing. Right here I can bid on the item. For example, I just want to bid 65, but when I click on bid, it tells me that your bid must be higher than 65. It must be higher than the current price. I just want to buy it for $70. Now the bid is updated for $70. Let me just go to another user, which is the admin, and bid on it for $80. I just want to 90. I just want to buy it 90. Now the price is updated anyway, and right here, if I just refresh the page, see the price is $90. Here is another button. I can add or remove this item from my watch list. I can add it right now, and if it is already in my watch list, I can remove it from here. Anyway, one last thing is the close option. Only the owner of this item has this option. What it does, when I click on it, it closes my auction, and it goes to this page, and it tells me that almost gone, and admin has won the auction. And if I go back to my admin user and just refresh this page, the auction is already closed, and it tells me that you won the auction. So I won the auction, and that's all about this part. Now right here I have the comment section. I can add any comment. For example, this is much nice. For example, when I click post, my comment is added, and if I go back from another user and add another comment, for example, this is much expensive, something like that, and when I click on post, my comment is also added. All the comments that the user have, they will be added right here. Only if I'm logged in I can add any comment. See, if I'm not logged in, I'm logged out. It says that you must be logged in, but I can see the comments, I can see the price, the information, anything. Let me just log back in. I just want to show you my watch list. That here is an option, my watch list. I have the items in my watch list. I can add items to my watch list, and from here I can remove them from my watch list too. If I go back to my watch list, I can see that is no longer available. Another thing is the category. Categories have the names and the of the category right here. They're clickable. When I click on them, it shows me all the items which are in this category. You can see them right here. They're clickable. They takes me to the listing page too. If any item doesn't exist in a category, it tells me that no active item exists for this category so far, and it's also all about categories. One last thing is about the admin interface. From the admin interface, I can just add, delete anything, any of these items or view. Now I just want to add image URL for the Raspberry Pi. Let me just add it as an example in order to show you that it works from here. And when I click on save and go back to the other normal page and active listings, closed listings, see that the Raspberry Pi was a picture was added. It's all the same. I can add, delete, remove anything, comment, anything from there, because I've already registered them in the admin interface. Now that was all about this project. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.